Good evening, everyone. I am the Assemblywoman Lorinda Hooks, and it is my honor to represent the vibrant communities of Corona, East Elmhurst, Lefrak City, Regal Park, and Forest Hills. Neighborhoods that exemplify the very principle we celebrate tonight, Umoja. The first principle of Kwanzaa. On December 13th, the Langston Hughes Community Library and Cultural Center launched their 41st annual Kwanzaa celebration with a beautiful kickoff event, and what I witnessed was truly inspiring. Families of all ages came together, enjoying musical performances, exploring our community marketplace, and children creating art side by side. That is the power of Umoja unity. In today's political climate, where division often dominates the headlines, we need Umoja more than ever. Unity doesn't mean we all think alike. It means we stand together, support one another, and build community across differences. That's what makes Corona, East Elmhurst, Lefrak City, Forest Hills, and Regal Park very special. We are many voices, many cultures, where the community is a family united as one. As we honor the first principle of Kwanzaa, I'm reminded that unity within the Black community and all across our communities isn't just about celebration, it's about action. It's about showing up for each other, lifting each other up, and creating the beloved community we all deserve. Thank you to the Langston Hughes Community Library and Cultural Center for 41 years of fostering this unity and for continuing to be a beacon of culture, connection, and hope. Now it is my privilege to introduce tonight's principal, Umoja, Unity. Happy Kwanzaa, everyone.